Okay, so let's go ahead and review some basic things. So first of all, let's talk about variables really quickly. So we have different variables, and variables are nice objects that, or variables are just ways for us to, well, modify data during the execution of our program. Every variable has a name, every variable has a type. Type determines what functionality that variable has on it. It determines what valid values can be stored within that variable. So for example, unlike a certain language I know, this is not possible. And the reason is because that's the type checking. This is a integer literal, this is a Boolean variable. A Boolean dictates that only certain types of values can be accepted. So, yep, those are our variables. Now we can print out our variables. We can input our variables from a variety of sources, and then we can further change them to whatever we need to, and again, print them out again. No, never mind. This returns void, doesn't it? So, straightforward stuff. Any questions about variables? And this is just going to be a very cursory overview, because everybody should be pretty comfortable with these concepts as of right now.